cut.
Rachel got a fish. Get him, Rachel. Yeah, there's fishy right there. Get, reel it in. No. Reel it in. Yeah, right here. Reel it in. Rachel, reel it in. You gotta go reel here.
Oh, okay.
Reel, there's a fishy there. See? Reel. Reel, Rachel, more.
More?
Yeah, more. You're doing it. Yay, here he comes. There's your fishy. Come on, more.
More?
Yeah, he's right there.
Right there?
Look, something else has got him.
Come on.
Rachel's got 2 fish. Ah, Rachel, you got 2 fish, Rachel. Look it. There's something that's got it. Rachel, you got 2.
Yes!
Ooh. Okay, keep reeling. Reel it up. Oh. Don't let go. Oh, you let go. Oh, he broke the line. Oh, Rachel, he's gone. He broke the line. Yeah, he broke it.
Oh.
Say woo, fishing.
Oh, fishy.
Yeah.
Okay, one.
Yeah, he broke it.
Oh, okay.
It was awesome. Hey,
Yeah.
look it, he broke it. Ah.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Aw, that's okay. We'll get another one. Okay?
One.
Yeah, we'll catch another one.
Oh.
Woo, came close. Ah, that was awesome, eh? Woo, right here. The pike grabbed Rachel's pike. Oh, I was gonna net both of them, but broke the line. Oh well. Woo-hoo! Oh, here comes somebody. Just lost one. Oh.
Huh?
Need to start a fire and don't have any dry wood? No problem. Just use some Cheetos. Some Cheetos puffs. Work great for works great for wet wood.
Mine.
Burns pretty long.
That's mine.
Yep. We're gonna make a fire with Cheetos.
Cheers.
Yeah, watch out, don't burn yourself.
There.
See, we made a fire with Cheetos because the oils, they burn for quite some time. So it's excellent for starting a fire. Say woo, fishing! They're puddles? Muddy puddles?
So me.
That's you. Okay, let's go. Mom's waiting.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what's a minute?
Just go.